Hello and welcome to this Blender tutorial. My name is Keston and today we're going to be looking at improved physics simulation using Python scripting triggered from the game engine, so while the game is running. First I should mention that there is a bit of an echo in here. We're broadcasting to you live from the Carlsbad Caverns, and so I apologize for the sound if the echo bothers you. Now this problem was presented by a fellow named Tim, a professional artist on blenderartist.org. And his problem was that he was trying to simulate 1,000 boxes falling to the ground, and he just felt that the simulation was not very accurate, some penetration of the ground plane and whatnot. So let's have a look at that by pressing, first we have to go from Blender Render to Blender Game, and we'll press P here. Whoa, and yep, I definitely saw a few boxes penetrating there. We'll stop, and stepping back, we'll also notice another problem, and that is that half the boxes go through the ground. That's not good. So what can we do to fix that? Well, the main thing that we are going to do to fix the second problem, boxes going right through the ground, is I'm going to pull up a recent file here, and that is box for plane. And in box for plane, you're going to notice that we have changed the box for a plane. And the main reason we do that is, this was from a tip from someone on one of the other forums. It just seems like Blender happens to simulate better. And yes, they are all falling to the ground now. Alright, so what about penetration? Did we solve that problem? Well, it doesn't look like it. It looks like there's a lot of boxes still making their way into the ground. We'll just have one more look at that quickly. Yeah, definitely penetration going on there. So how can we solve this problem? Well, the main thing that we are going to do is have a look inside the physics engine and see if we can increase the quality of the simulation. That can be done using Python scripting. However, it's a little bit tricky. So I'm going to break it into 3 steps. Step 1, we fix the plane problem by replacing it for a box. Step 2, we're going to look at how to trigger a script from within the game engine and make that call to increase the simulation. Alright, thank you for listening today, and goodbye.